Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to enable auto sign-in in Google Chrome, making it easier to log into your favorite websites without entering your credentials every time. Whether you're setting up a new device or just want a smoother browsing experience, these steps will help you get auto sign-in working in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best performance and security. Next, look for the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. Click on it, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can customize your browsing experience. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Autofill. Under Autofill, tap on Passwords Manager. This is where Chrome stores all your saved passwords and manages how you sign into websites. Once you're in the Passwords Manager, look for the gear or settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of the passwords page. Tap on Settings to access additional options related to your saved passwords and sign-in preferences. Here, you'll see the Auto Sign-In option. This feature allows Chrome to automatically sign you into websites using your saved credentials, so you don't have to type them in each time you visit. To enable it, simply toggle the Auto Sign-In switch to the On position. That's it. Auto sign-in is now enabled. From now on, whenever you visit a website where you've saved your login information, Chrome will automatically fill in your credentials and sign you in, saving you time and effort. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow these same steps and toggle auto sign-in back to the off position. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tech tips. Enjoy your seamless browsing experience.